Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to enable check-ins on your Facebook page. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're going to open the Facebook application. Once you've opened, you're going to head to the menu by tapping on the menu icon right on the top right part of your screen, right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap. And once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the menu. And on here, you got to make sure that the account that you're using is the page as for you'd like Facebook users to check in on your page and not your personal account. You can make sure of that by checking on the profile tab right below menu or the word menu. You will see the profile and also the name that is being used. And as you can see, I'm using the page, but if you're using the personal account, you can switch by tapping on the switch icon right next to the drop down icon. And once you've made sure, all you have to do is to tap on the name of the account logged in to go to the profile. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be transferred to this screen, and in this screen, you will see the profile. And to enable check-ins on your page, you need to add an address so that when people visit that address, your page or the name of your page will be on the recommended check-ins. And to add an address, all you have to do is to tap on the About tab. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, we have to just scroll down for a little bit and tap on the See Your About info. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, as you can see, I still haven't added an address for my page, so that is why other people can check in on my page. All you have to do is to add an address by tapping on it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be asked to add street, add city, add zip, and add map location. Once you've filled every single box, all you have to do is to tap on save, and from here on then, people can now check in to your Facebook page. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.